When it comes to travel, few experiences can compare to the luxury and excitement of a cruise ship. From the vast open seas to the carefully curated onboard amenities, a cruise ship vacation offers a unique blend of relaxation and adventure. In this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of cruise ship travel. Number 1. Choosing the right cruise ship for your vacation. Embarking on a cruise ship vacation requires some careful planning, particularly when it comes to selecting the vessel that will serve as your home away from home. The sheer variety of cruise ships available today means that there's something for every traveler's taste and budget. To narrow down your choices, consider the itinerary you're interested in to begin. Are you drawn to the charm of European river cruises, or do the expansive oceans and exotic ports of the world cruise call to you? Additionally, the size of the cruise ship can greatly influence your experience. The larger ships tend to boast more amenities such as multiple dining venues, expansive entertainment options, and elaborate onboard activities for all ages. Number 2. Understanding the different types of cabins on the cruise ship. Choosing the ideal cabin on a cruise ship is a pivotal part of planning your maritime vacation. So many different types of cabin categories available can accommodate a wide range of preferences and budgets for everyone. Interior cabins, the most economical option, offer comfort and coziness without a view, making them perfect for travelers who prioritize value over vistas. Ocean view cabins provide guests with a window or portal, allowing natural light to flood the space and offering a glimpse of the seaports outside. And for those desiring fresh air and private outdoor access, a balcony cabin is an excellent choice, featuring personal verandas where passengers can enjoy morning coffee or an evening breeze. Number 3. Navigating the culinary seas, dining options on board. Embarking on a culinary journey is an integral part of the cruise ship experience, with a ton of dining options available to cater to everyone's individual taste. Each cruise line prides itself on its vast options of food choices, ranging from buffet-style dining with its vast selection of international dishes to upscale restaurants where gourmet meals are prepared by skilled chefs for those looking for a more intimate dining experience. Many ships offer specialty restaurants that focus on specific menus, be it a steakhouse, an authentic Italian, or a sushi bar showcasing the freshest seafood. Number 4. Daytime activities and entertainment at sea. Cruise ships are just large floating resorts offering a broad spectrum of activities and entertainment options designed to cater to all ages. You can take advantage of the fitness center, join in some deck sports like volleyball or basketball, or participate in group classes ranging from yoga to dance. For those looking to unwind, many ships feature large pool areas with loungers and hot tubs, perfect for soaking up the sun with a book in hand or a couple cocktails. Then those art enthusiasts will enjoy the onboard galleries and auction events, offering a glimpse into the world of maritime art collections. Number 5. Exploring the ports, making the most of your shore excursions. Shore excursions present a thrilling opportunity for the cruise vacationers, offering passengers the chance to explore the unique landscape, history, and cultures of each stop. Activities tailored to various interests and ages ensure that everyone from the adventure seeker to the history buff finds something to fit their interest. Number 6. Navigating through the waters, the environmental impact of cruise travel. The allure of traversing the globe on a majestic cruise ship comes with a responsibility towards the planet. The environmental footprint of such a voyage is pretty major, overcoming issues like ocean pollution, fuel consumption, and the disruption of marine ecosystem. Forward-thinking cruise lines are now pioneering eco-friendly initiatives aimed at mitigating these impacts. These measures include adopting advanced waste treatment systems, utilizing cleaner fuel alternatives to reduce emissions, and implementing energy-efficient technologies that lessen the vessel's overall environmental impact. The cruise industry is leading the way for a better planet. If you enjoyed our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.